The toilets are not enough, such that there are flies all over. Yeah, that's our problem. So I think because of the situation, that's why the people around here they are suffering from dysentery and diarrhea.
2008, Zimbabwe under President Robert Mugabe suffered its biggest cholera outbreak at the height of an economic crisis. Sanctions from the international community making it hard to bring aid into the country. 10 years later, officials desperate to avoid a repeat of 2008. As the death toll climbs to 30, government has introduced new antibiotics after the cholera strain was found to be resistant to some drugs. At least 4,000 people are infected.
I'm experiencing a runny stomach with vomiting. I'm very weak with a headache and I'm also bleeding.
National and local politicians are trading blame over government's failure to maintain safe water supplies and infrastructure. The country has been forced to declare a health emergency. Meanwhile, South Africa is on high alert. Health Minister Aaron Motsoaledi says movement across the two borders makes the country vulnerable.
Not yet, but we are expecting that very soon. With the movement of people and the migration of people, we're expecting that very soon, and we're on our tender hooks, and I must say we're worried. I can't hide that. But up to so far, no case from that area has been reported yet in South Africa.
The crisis is a test for President Emmerson Mnangagwa's new government under pressure to rebuild the country. Police have also banned street vendors in the capital. For many residents, the threat of cholera remains high amid signs the disease could spread outside Harare.
There's a cholera outbreak here, and the borehole that we have been using has been closed down, leaving us with no source of fresh water. We have no choice, but we might end up looking for water in those affected areas, and that way it'll be difficult to prevent more deaths.
The Finance Minister Mthuli Ncube's attempt to raise funds on social media sparked a backlash, with some users condemning the plan as an insult to taxpayers. The 2008 cholera outbreak killed 4,000 people, while 40,000 were treated for infections. Ndundu Sitole, SABC News, Johannesburg.